Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the boot seal retaining ring in your LG washer, you will need a spring removal tool or needle nose pliers. Insert the spring tool on either end of the spring and pull to remove the ring. To install the new boot seal retaining ring, tuck the ring into the seal starting at the top. Insert the spring removal tool into the ring to securely seat it into the seal. And your washer should be ready for use.